Hello, today we are looking at GPT-3 and Power Apps ideas. So, in the era of Copilot, OpenAI, large language model, in 2021, Microsoft introduced an AI-powered assistant that can help developers with their Power Apps formulas. Sometimes you want to do a certain calculation or a certain formatting, filtering, sorting in your app, but you are not too sure about how to go about it, and that is where the GPT-3 Power App ideas also comes in to help the developer to be able to quickly put one or two Power Apps formulas together to quickly develop his or her app. Now, to get the Power Apps ideas, the Power App ideas that are shown here, I will see on this tab we have properties, advanced, then we have ideas. Now, to get the ideas, first of all you go to the settings, then you go to upcoming features, you scroll down, then we have the ideas panel, so you can switch it off. When you switch it off, you see that ideas is gone. You switch it on, then the ideas come. Okay, so when you switch it on, then a certain icon is made available, and that is the ideas control or ideas icon that helps you and guide you. Now, the ideas icon is also contextual. So for instance, I have a drop down. When I click on it and I click on the ideas icon, I see formatting. This is a text box. When I click on it, I also see formatting. I have a label here. When I click on it, I see conditional formatting. I have a label inside a gallery. When I click on it, I see conditional formatting and then text formatting. When I click on other labels, they have a different. When I click on the gallery control, I see sort, filter, and search. So it is contextual to be able to help you deal with exactly the control you are dealing with in your Power Apps. I must also say that the Power Apps ideas icon is not available for all the controls. So there are certain controls that have been made available for you to be able to deal with your controls in your app. So for instance, I have this gallery here, and I have it connected to a product table. So it's connected to the product table. I have component, colors, the name of the products. I have the standard cost. I have the standard the list price. On the standard cost, I see that it's about 3 decimal places. Some of them are 4. Okay, most of them are 4 decimal places. Now, I wish to only show 2 decimal places. I'm not too sure how to go about it. So to do that, I can click on this and then click on the Power Apps ideas and then click on the text format. So straight away it opens a panel for me, and this is what we call the programs by example. So we have it has given you the first amount 868.6242. so I want it to be 8, and it actually shows you example here. Then you add another example. You can pick any of the amounts, then you say 12.03 because the last have to be converted was more than 5, and I pick this. The figure should be 13.09. So after you have added more example, you can scroll down and you see that a code is given for you. Just click on and copy, and you can even click on apply. And then check whatever happens here. You see that the results are shown clearly, and then the formula on the text has changed to this item dot standard, but it has clearly formatted it exactly the example that you gave. This is very important, and this actually helps the developers to quickly come up with the code. So that is one example. Another example is I want to sum up whatever is here from the standard cost into a text box. I'm not too sure how to sum or calculate the total for this column into a text box, especially from a gallery. So how do you go about it? You can click on the icon here and then say show the total amount for the standard cost in the gallery 3. The gallery 3 is the name of the gallery. I click on the get ideas, and let's you will be able to. So it has suggested something. If you want to try, you click on the apply, and when you click on the apply, it gives you the total from this gallery onto the text box. And this is very phenomenal. It's very important, and it helps the developer to quickly come up. So that is the second example. I will go in for the third example, which is the train. When you scroll down, you see train with examples. I've clicked this, and then you scroll down and click on train with examples. When you click on it, we have the data, we have suggested idea, then we have desired format. So assuming I just want to show the first two characters of each of the names, and I also want it in uppercase or capital letters, I will try and put in the desired format, what I really want. Here to this should be HL. I want the first two. Here should be SP, the next SP, the next MO, and so forth and so on. So then after that, you click on get ideas. So that is supposed to come up with something, gives you an idea as to how it should be. So it gives an idea that it should be upper into bracket left this item dot product. So it is picking the first two characters from the left, and then it's converting it into a capital letter or uppercase. So if you want to try, you click on apply, and we see that clearly it's able to give us the correct format that we are looking for, and it also gives you the code. And this shortens the speed with which you are able to develop your app. Clearly, it's an important tool that every developer should be able to look into it. You get a similar concept when you are trying in, say, OpenAI. You want to go in and help get system of ChatGPT to be able to help you get some code. But really, this is very phenomenal compared to what I get. I tried that, what I get from there, because here you click on a certain button or a certain label and you clearly get the answer. If the answer is not correct, you can go back. So this gives a contextual as well to a particular control that is being worked on. So if it is a label, you get the label. If it is on drop down, you get it to a drop down. If it is a gallery, you get the context. The Power Apps, the Power Apps idea icon is able to get the context within which you want the Power FS to help you. So it is really important. Go ahead, try it, and then let me get your comment below. Thank you very much. I hope you are going to try your hands on ChatGPT3 or GPT3 and then Power Apps ideas. I hope Microsoft will also continue to improve upon this and also push the Power Apps ideas onto other controls to be able to help developers. Thank you.